Children, today we are discussing 8th chapter shapes and patterns. See the first pattern. See here we have one line. Here we have one line. See this line is comes. Here we have two lines, two sleeping lines. Okay. Here one line. Here two lines. Here 1, 2, 3 lines. Okay. This is a pattern. 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines. Here 4 lines. If you add these 3 lines, it comes like a what? Triangle, right? If you take a 4 lines in a pattern, it comes like a rectangle. Okay. If you took 5 lines in a pattern, this is pentagon. Okay. Next. If you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines, it comes a heptagon. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 7. This is heptagon. Okay. You do the another one. So take lines. First one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6. And this is 7th one. This is 7th one. Understand this pattern? We have these type of patterns in your book. Let's see one of you. What is this? Chain. It has a 1 circle and see it has 2 circles. See here it has 3 circles. See here it has 4. Again draw this chain. Put a 4 circles. 5. Next take again. Put 6. Do like that remain. Okay. Let's see here we have 1 circle and we drawn here 1 leaf and see 1 circle 2 leaves, 2 petals, 2 petals. Okay. In the next diagram put the 3 petals. In the next diagram put the 4 petals. In another diagram, put a 5 petals. Okay. So the flower is came. Oh, the last one is flower. Okay. So you arrange this pattern and see we have first 1 arrow, next 2, next 3, 4, 5. You take like this. First one 1 arrow. It has 2 arrows, 3. 4 and here you draw the 4 arrows. Next 5, 6, 7. Next see lines. There are 2 types of lines. There are 2 types of lines. How many lines we have? We have 2 types of lines. What are the lines? The lines are straight line. And the next one is curved line. The next one is curved line. Okay. Straight line means straight line. For example, take a thread and tightly you hold the thread. You will see the straight line. Okay. You will see. For example, if you take a thread. If you hold it tightly, you will get a tight and straight line. The straight line looks like this. Okay. If you take this, hold this thread very easily, it will comes like this. Okay, it becomes like this. So that is curved line. This is curved line. Okay, if you hold the thread like this, you will get a what? Curved line. You will get curved line. Let's see here, we have some more lines. We have sleeping line. Sleeping. Did you see it anywhere? This is sleeping line. That is sleeping line. Slanting line. Standing line. Next, slanting line. See here. See, in this straight line, we have three types. Straight line is divided into see here, the straight line is mainly three types. What are the types? Sleeping line, standing line, slanting line. Sleeping line means this is sleeping line. It looks like this. Standing, the line is stand like this. This is standing line. This is slanting line. Okay, first types of lines are what are the types? Straight line, curved line. In this straight line we have three types. What are the types? Sleeping line, straight line, slanting line. Understood all of you? See all of you this one. Find out the rule and continue. Find out the rule means first see 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 10 before numbers are there. That means the first one is 10 minus 1. How to write it? The term subtract the last term. Subtract 1 to the last term. See here, subtract the 1 to the last number. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. If you want another 1 minus 1 is 0. Understood? So, this is, I wrote here written way. That means subtract 1 to the last term. So, this is the last term of this pattern. You subtract 1 to this number and subtract 1 to this number and subtract 1 to this number, you will get it. Minus 1 is 1, minus 1 is 0. Understood? Let's see the second pattern. 5A, 6B, 7C, 8D. That means 5, 6, 7, 8, A, B, C, D. So, the next numbers are coming. So, if you add 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. That means add 1 to the last term. Add 1 to the last term. Okay, I written wrote here. So, what you have here? 8 plus 1 is 9. D after E. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 of E after F. 10 plus 1 is 11. F after G. 11 after 12. 11 plus 1 is 12. G after H. Okay, let's see this one. 6, 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. See here, the difference between these two is 6 minus 3 is 3, right? So 3 difference. So add 3 to 6, 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Add 15 plus 3 is Understood these 3 patterns? We have some more patterns in your textbook. See and write in these lines your pattern how to do. Okay, let's see Amma. Make your own pattern. We have 3 boxes here and make your own pattern. I wrote here, first I took here 2 triangles. Okay. First I took here 2 triangles, next 2 circles, 2 squares. 2 triangles, 2 circles, 2 squares. Here also 2. I repeated this pattern again. Triangles, 2 triangles, 2 circles. What will comes next? 2 squares. What comes next? Again triangles, 2 triangles. Okay. You do this type of patterns in these 2 boxes. Okay. I will ask you some shapes, Nana. You tell me. In your cycle tiles, how it is looks like? The shape of the tiles is, what is the shape? Tiles shape is circle, right? Okay, let's see. What is your cone ice cream shape? That is cone. What is your samosa shape? That is what? Triangle. What is your goalie shape? That is sphere. Okay, what is your mobile shape? That is rectangle. What is your duster shape? That is also rectangle. What is your chalk piece shape? Piece of a chalk paste. Piece of a chalk shape is, tell me, cylinder. Okay, you know, understood all of you the shapes and patterns. Okay, once all of you look at your textbook, 8th chapter, and we have some sums in your textbook. So do that, complete that patterns and solve the sums also. Thank you.